In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view OneDrive Online. Let's dive right in. Before we can get started with accessing OneDrive Online, it's essential that you have the OneDrive app installed on your desktop or laptop. This app acts as your gateway, allowing you to access files both online and offline. If you haven't installed it yet, no worries, it's a straightforward process. Simply download and install the app from Microsoft's website. Once that's taken care of, you'll usually find the app residing conveniently in your system tray for easy access. Now that the OneDrive app is open on your computer, direct your attention to an option labeled View Online. This option is crucial as it provides a direct line to the web version of OneDrive. By clicking this, you can access all your stored files online without needing to sync them first to your device. This feature is particularly beneficial when working on a computer with limited storage or when you're using a public or shared device, where you might not want to leave any personal files behind. Clicking View Online will do exactly what it suggests. It will redirect you from the app to your default web browser, landing you directly on the OneDrive dashboard. Once on the OneDrive web interface, you're greeted with an incredibly user-friendly design, offering a familiar file and folder structure. This makes it simple to locate exactly what you're looking for. Here, you can see all your files and folders organized just as they are within the app. The dashboard offers a plethora of options right at your fingertips. You can create new files or folders, upload content, and share files with others. The sharing feature is particularly handy for collaborative projects, allowing you to grant others access to view or edit files directly from OneDrive. It's important to remember that while using OneDrive Online, any changes made are automatically saved and synced across all devices where you have OneDrive set up. This means you can start a document on your laptop at home, continue editing it on your phone while commuting, and finalize it on a desktop at work, eliminating the need for manual file transfers between devices. Additionally, for those worried about security, Microsoft has you covered. They provide robust encryption for your files, both in transit and at rest on their servers. Nonetheless, always practice safe sharing habits, especially when dealing with sensitive documents. Summing it all up, viewing your OneDrive files online is as simple as opening the app on your desktop, clicking on View Online, and being redirected to the OneDrive dashboard in your web browser. This seamless functionality offers you the freedom to manage and share your files from anywhere, at any time, without having to sync them to every device you use. Remember, staying organized in OneDrive is key to finding your files quickly. Make full use of folders and naming conventions, and be sure to explore all the features OneDrive Online has to offer, such as file sharing, online editing, and more. By maximizing OneDrive's capabilities, you'll ensure that your files are always where you need them, accessible from any device at any time. That's it for today's tutorial on how to view OneDrive Online.